Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can host your website on cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, cPanel isn't directly used for hosting. cPanel is a tool that most hosting services provide, which allows you to better manage your website. It is just a file management system, which is based on Linux, and it has a GUI, which you can freely use to make your life easier and to streamline and make the process more efficient. Now, you can create a website within cPanel. However, your domain needs to be registered through your hosting service, and then you can modify your website through cPanel once you do that. And you can use either the site builder, which is for WordPress sites, or you can just upload your files directly if you have any files on your computer. But yeah, let me just explain how you can use the site builder, and then I'll shortly explain how you can upload your own files later. Now, to use the site builder, you can just go into domains and go into SiteJet, and the interface will appear. Then click build with SiteJet, and then choose the template that you wish. And once you've chosen it and personalized your website in the website builder, which is CMS, then you can click publish, and then the system will redirect you to the SiteJet builder interface and will publish your design to the domain's document root directory. And that is pretty much it. Now, as for WordPress websites, you can use the WordPress toolkit. Just navigate to the toolkit interface, go into domains WordPress toolkit, then install the WordPress toolkit, enter a title for your website, and it'll suggest a username, password, and email for the admin account for the site. Then click install, and that should be pretty much it. And yeah, you can then use WordPress to customize your site. You can also get a placeholder page with the site publisher. Just navigate to the site publisher interface through domains, then select the domain for which you want to create a placeholder, select a site template, enter the information, and then click publish. And that's pretty much it. Now, to upload your own content, you can very easily do this. You can access your file manager on your cPanel account, then go into the public HTML folder, and there you can upload all your HTML and CSS folders. You also have the CGI bin folder, which you can use to add any Python scripts or any scripts of that nature for that matter. You can add them elsewhere, however, then you need to edit your HTML access or your htaccess account and your, yeah, pretty much just that. But anyway, if you upload your own files, you should have the htaccess file as well as the index.html file within your public HTML. The main folder for your website documents is either public HTML or www, depending on what you're using. But yeah, if you want to upload other content, you can use the web disk interface by files and web disk. You can use git version control through files. You can use the file manager, which I've just explained, or you can use an FTP account, depending on your wishes. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.